I'm Charissa Howes, and today I want to talk to you about how to wash your vegetables naturally. Making sure that your vegetables are clean when you start to work with them is the best way to stay happy and healthy. So regardless of where you buy your vegetables, whether it's the farmer's market or the grocery store, if they don't say ready to eat or pre-washed on them, you're going to want to wash your vegetables. The soil that they grow in can have microbes in it, and also they can get contaminated through harvesting and through transportation. And lastly, it's possible that there could be some pesticide residue on the outside of your fruit or vegetable. So what is the best way to wash your veggies then? Well, the FDA says you should run your vegetables under cool running water. If it's got a hard skin on the vegetable, it should be scrubbed with a vegetable brush to get any extra dirt or extra microbes off. If it's a fragile vegetable, it's safe to put it in a colander and let cool water run over it. And if it's a vegetable with lots of nooks and crannies, like broccoli or cauliflower, then you'll want to make sure that you soak it for 1 to 2 minutes before you move on to prepare it. Another precaution you can take is you could use a vinegar wash. The main ingredient in vinegar, which is acetic acid, has extra antimicrobial benefits to it. So if you wanted to use a vinegar wash, you could get off even more dirt and more microbes, and even sometimes there's little bugs in there. To make the vinegar solution, all you'd want to use is 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. My top 3 tips when it comes to washing your veggies: first off, do it as soon as you get home, and that way they're in the fridge and they're going to be safe for the rest of the week. Second, when you store them with a paper towel so it preserves the life. And also, lastly, never wash your vegetables with something you wouldn't want to eat yourself.